Hello and welcome to Crafting with Kathi Lee, my YouTube channel. I am Kathi Lee and I am happy you stopped by. If you haven't stopped by before, take a look at some of the other videos and you can see what I'm all about. Older videos, if you're interested in some fun projects from a variety of companies, check back to some of the older videos. And if you want to see design team projects, that's probably most of my videos in the last several months. This is a design team video for scrapbooking with me, and this is a flip through of the kit called Strawberries Hatch or Strawberries in the Spring. And there is ephemera and background pages and all sorts of fun stuff. I did not print the whole kit because I'm trying to not print everything. I can print more of this kit, more background pages, more other things if I need them, but I kept my stack fairly small this time. So again, this is a scrapbooking with me design team video. All of the links will be in the description. My link tree will be listed along with some of the links pertaining to scrapbooking with me, and you'll find that all in the description. In the description, you will also find a list of the other design team members. You can take a look at their YouTube channels and see what they've been doing. All right, let's go. This one. Okay, I told you it was strawberries. How about these strawberries? Evidently, I have it upside down. I'm loving these non-traditional, not bright greens. The kind of tealish green. Just really subtle backgrounds, and then the strawberries are red, but they aren't that like wild red. So that's a beautiful piece, and that one I just printed on white copy paper. And then here's another one with those pesky strawberries we get that aren't quite ripe in one spot. Again, these have slightly different colors in the background, a little bit more open spots. So gorgeous. And now here we have it, strawberries on a yellow background, kind of a muted yellow, not a bright yellow, with the flowers. Oh, and I think I might like this one the best. I say that, but I'm gonna like another sheet more. I just know it. How pretty are those on the blues? You just feels like you could pick one up and take a nice bite, and oh boy. Okay. Thinking I'm loving this one the best, but I might say that again because I'm fickle when it comes to scrapbooking pages. Oh, maybe this one's the winner. Are you loving these strawberries and the flowers or what? Oh, see, and this would be a beautiful focal point with that background. Look at that linen looking wallpaperish background. Loving these borders and of course the strawberries and the flowers. Well, see, I can't even decide which page is my favorite. I love the way the ribbon goes through this one. I'm kind of digging that strawberry with the little bit of a spiked hairdo. I'm not sure on that one. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, and those are beautiful. I could do with a sheet of those pretty. I don't know, they look like flowers, but if they were green, they would be kiwis. Yum. Okay, and here are those I printed on paper. Now I'm to the ones I printed on cardstock. These ones, we have some, these remind me of magnetic clips, but they could be just little page flags. This perhaps could be folded into a folio of some sort or an envelope, or it could be cut into different panels. And it has some of the same images from the other sheets I just showed you. And that is on white cardstock. Evidently, I'm upside down. No, I did not put these together right. Okay, and like I said, I didn't print everything. This is a nice little bit of ephemera, some torn pages, just some fun shapes. I love that little basket. And these aren't exactly stamps because they're long and narrow, but kind of. And then how cute is that? A flower. Looks like maybe a kid made that flower with their handprint. And then we have pockets because we all need pockets, right? With some of those same prints. And then these I printed double-sided because I may use these to tuck into pockets, and I like it when it shows. So on the back, aren't those cool? And then if you've watched my videos before, you know I love tickets. Here is one of the many, many, many background pages. How pretty is that? I've been wanting some gingham that I could use for multiple kits, and this kit has several. There's pink and yellow and green, but it would be enough that I could come back to this kit later just to print the gingham pages. And then 2 larger tags, again on another color theme for the gingham. And my printer's still doing that weird thing. I'm really kicking myself. I had an Epson EcoTank printer in my cart and was hesitating on whether I really needed it. And I had it in my cart, and about 3 days ago I decided to jump in and order it, and the price had gone up because when I was looking at it, it was on special and it's no longer on sale. So I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and buy it at the higher price or if I'm going to hold off. Aren't those gorgeous? And I guess those could be tabs. Fold them over, they'd be page tabs. And see, here's yet another beautiful plaid. And then these are also on the background pages. They look nothing like this. They're like this bonus pretty pastel floral mixed in with the pages that coordinate with the strawberries. And I wanted to print this because how beautiful are those colors. I'm absolutely in love with the light. And I just printed those on. But look at these. Are these not gorgeous? I couldn't believe I was going through these background sheets. And these are just a few of them. Again, there's more sheets in this pastel watercolor looking theme. So this is, again, just a small portion of this kit. The kit is called, I think these were called Strawberry Patch because there are several different PDFs when you order the kit. These are printable designs. These ones might also be available as print and ship, where they print them for you and ship them. It does cost more than the digital collection. But again, since I didn't know what I would use, I only printed off a very, this is probably not even half of the collection that I printed out. So this is Strawberries in the Spring and Strawberries Patch. There are ephemera pages. There are 2 different PDFs of background pages. And then the strawberries, Strawberry Patch pages. And I don't remember what else. So stop by the Scrapbooking with Me store. They have an Etsy shop and a web store. Those will be, their link to their web store will be in my link tree, so you can check it out there. And if you need anything else, leave a comment and I will be happy to answer your questions. Come back again soon. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're here, why don't you watch another video? I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and happy crafting.